to get $35 promo code on Uber. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open any browser on your device, either Chrome or Safari. Tap on the search bar and type in Uber promo code and search for it. Now browse the search result to find the websites offering the promo codes. Make sure to choose the reputable sites to avoid scams. You can easily find a site and tap on it. Then look for the valid promo codes. Here you can easily see the list of the Uber discount codes. Tap on the promo code and a menu box appears on your screen. You need to tap on copy and copy the promo code. After that, you can use it on Uber while checking out. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.